I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating personal information on DIP 2026 is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your CAM. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 3. Edit personal information. In the Profile Settings, look for the option to edit your personal information. This may include your name, email, phone number, and address. Click the Edit button next to the section you want to update. Step 4. Save your changes. After making the necessary updates, ensure you save your changes by clicking the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. If you forget this step, your changes won't be applied. Step 5. Log out and verify. Finally, log out of your account and look back in to verify that your changes have been successfully updated. This ensures everything is correct and up to date. I hope this guide helps you update your information easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.